This Faceless YouTube setup has nailed 2.79 million subscribers with over 500 million views, and they've done it with just 19 AI-created story videos. Here is also another channel with millions of views on every video. They're shorts, absolute beasts, some hitting hundreds of millions of views and pulling in hundreds of thousands from ads. I just found out their secret sauce. It's Mootion AI. Today, I'm showing you step-by-step how to craft viral hits with just a few clicks and seconds that actually make you money. So, stick with me till the end to get a special bonus discount for your first sign-up. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. Simply click on the link in the description below and sign up for Mootion AI with your email or personal accounts to get 200 bonus credits and unlock the real magic of Mootion AI, and make sure to watch this video all the way to the end for an exclusive special discount on your first sign-up. I've already signed up, and here, the dashboard is clean and user-friendly, allowing you to create content with custom templates for every niche, from kids content to entertainment, to take your content game to the next level. Whether you're growing your brand, storytelling, or teaching, it allows YouTube to create studio-like animations in minutes, no editing skills needed. To create content, as mentioned at start, simply click on social media. You'll find multiple options, but I want to do it just with voiceover, and it will understand the context of your voice, making the process effortless. Stick around till the end to see the real magic of Mootion AI in action. By clicking on Recording to Video, you can easily record your own voiceover to describe what you want to create or even record a short video. But here's the fun part. I'm uploading my already recorded voice where I tell a hilarious story about Donald Trump and Elon Musk at the SpaceX launch event. Donald Trump and Elon Musk were at a SpaceX launch party. My hair's a national treasure, Elon, better than your rockets. The next step is choosing your video resolution. If you're creating a long-form YouTube video, 16:9 is perfect. But for vertical content like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, go for 9:16. I've selected my video resolution, and now it's time to pick a visual style. Mootion AI offers a wide range of styles, from photorealistic to bold lines. It's totally up to you to choose the style that matches the vibe of your content. As everything is set, hit transcribe and watch as the editable transcription is ready to go. Click the button at the top and Mootion AI will start understanding your content, breaking it down into segments to create visuals based on the context. How cool is that? Let me know the topic of the video you're about to create. It doesn't stop there. You can even regenerate by tweaking the prompt generated by Mootion AI, making adjustments to transform visuals, add something new, or remove unwanted parts or backgrounds. Plus, you can insert image elements to enhance your content. Ready to bring it all to life? Just click Animate All, choose the highest quality, and watch as it animates all the frames. Once it's done, hit the Next to watch the magic happen. Here you can choose your title, subtitle, scene effects, and transitions. Pick the one that perfectly matches your content. So far, we've got voiceovers and visuals, but without music, it would be a little dull, right? Don't worry, Mootion AI has a fantastic selection of music for you. Just filter by tempo and emotion, pick the ideal track, and hit Compose. In seconds, you'll have a stunning, engaging video with eye-catching graphics. Donald Trump and Elon Musk were at a SpaceX launch party. My hair's a national treasure, Elon, better than your rockets, Trump bragged, patting his golden comb over. How incredible is that? Let me know in the comments. I love reading your feedback. Plus, you can easily download your video or share it directly to YouTube. If the results don't quite match your expectations, simply click Regenerate. How easy is that? So what are you waiting for? Turn your cool ideas into viral videos that make money with Mootion AI. Click the link in the description, grab your 80% off for the first month on your sign-up. But that's not all. Make sure to check out my Item 3D video, where I have explained to you step-by-step how to turn 2D images into highly detailed printable 3D models, perfect for Blender or Unity. And if you want more game-changing AI tool tips, hit that subscribe button for Ninja Tech. Also, drop a comment below on what video topic you'd like to see next.